Good morning, guys. It is a little past 9 and I'm getting ready. It's Friday, so it's my work from home day. So I don't do my makeup, but I just like washed off my edges and now I'm gonna put my edge styler on. This is the Eco Styler. It's hard to tell now because it's like all completely wiped off, but it's the Eco Style Edge Styler Glue water resistant one. I'll link it down below. I swear by this, and I feel like I told you guys about it when I was in Belize last August with my boyfriend. And we got in the water and it was so hot outside and literally my edges stayed laid the entire time. It was amazing. So I really do swear by this product, and it doesn't dry your hair out or like pull your hair out or anything like that. Never had any issues, so highly recommend. But I wouldn't use it to style anything beside your edges because it'll probably be too much product and will start to dry white. Yeah, this is how we're gonna look for today. And then I'm drinking my kombucha mixed with my mushies. I love this kombucha. I used to drink kombucha every single night back in Maryland, and I kind of got off of it because it was something that was part of my grocery list because my parents were paying for my groceries. And then when I moved here, I was like, let's just cut back on that for now. Let's not get $4 kombucha. I think it's actually cheaper here than it was in Maryland.
It's over here. You gotta look for it. There it is.
We're not filling it up all the way because we're gonna do some separation training later and he's gonna have his Kong. Enjoy! So Fridays and Wednesdays tend to be my busiest days in terms of meetings. So my manager is actually taking off today. He's me in one of the meetings, but then not in the rest of them. So I think I actually have to go to all of them possibly. So we have a meeting with one of our agencies that does publishers. So like any websites that you see that are like top 10, you know, water bottles, blah, 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 blah. And they have a bunch of different brands. Those are usually publishers. Then there's like WordPress updates meeting that I never go to, and I don't think I need to go to that still. Then we have our email marketing call, and that one's at 10:30. Then at 12, we're gonna be reviewing Black Friday creatives and coming up with some ideas. 12:30, I'm meeting with one of the girls from the Amazon team because we're coming up with like premium content and figuring out what SKUs, they call them ASINs on Amazon, just products that need to be added before Prime Day. And then we have an inventory check-in, which I'm not sure if I have to go to either. It usually ends up getting canceled, and that is at 1:30. So I have 4 or 5 meetings. Also, now I really can only eat soft food because of the temporary crown being like almost gone. Hello.
Good morning, my name is Danielle and I'm calling from Brentwood Endodontics.
Hi, how are you? So I was able to get a appointment set up. So I'm very happy about that. So it has to be the like consultation, obviously, because we want to make sure first that I need a root canal. My parents were telling me that it's actually cheaper to get your tooth extracted than to get a root canal, because root canals, them saving the tooth extraction is obviously them taking it out of your mouth. I honestly could not care less which one I get. Whichever one has less maintenance later down the road, honestly, would be great. This does not look very appetizing, but I got this chicken from Trader Joe's. Now this is leftover pad thai with like no shrimp left. I'm looking for a movie for my boyfriend and I to watch, and I think we're gonna check out Prey on Hulu. So, why didn't I start this one eating? I'm all done with meetings now. I'm also very excited to go take my braids out because honestly it's not that overgrown, but that's pretty bad.
My boyfriend is here and we're about to go to the beach, so I changed. Got this little brown bodysuit
And then we got some brown pants. This is Skims and this is Shein. But I'm sure Shein has like the exact same version of this. I have my sandy socks. And I'm gonna bring one of my little glass water bottles from work. These are the water bottles, aren't they nice?
They have a little sign, and underneath the sign that says lot 7 or lot 5 or whatever, it says the price of the day.
Oh.
So you know before you enter the lot. So you can keep driving until you see a price you like.
I'll never see a price I like. We're here. Bailey and I came here the other day and we parked in this lot. This is the lot 7 lot with the one of the many spiral staircases. But this is one of the cheaper ones. You ready, Bunny? We are in the sand. My boyfriend's all the way over there. He said he's gonna mess up his feet or something if he gets in the sand. So I'm just walking Bailey over here because he was pulling me. So we might as well just walk for a little bit and then we'll get back to our walk. We want to walk to the rings in Venice, but we are really far away, so we'll see if that happens. And honestly, we're probably gonna go back to my boyfriend now because it's the only thing Bailey can pay attention to. You ready to go back? It's a quick little walk. Can I bring these close enough to you?
No, they're made to swing on. Try it. Well, we go to the pull-out ones. Try it.
I don't know how to swing.
Just try it. All right.
It's like a nightmare.
You got it.
What am I doing?
Just run back and grab the next one. All right.
I'm too tall.
No, you got. I'm taller than you. You just pull their legs out.
I'm not ready. That's all I got.
The business things, you know, because
We just finished our long walk. So we walked for an hour and 18 minutes, I think it was. Let me see, I just took a little screenshot of it. We walked for 1 hour and 13 minutes.
I got free pizza.
Yay! 2.4 miles. Now we're gonna go to In-N-Out because I want burger and fries.
And I got free pizza!
My boyfriend got free pizza and Bailey's gonna have some, Bailey's gonna have some meat. I ordered this little wig head, which is really nice. And then I also ordered this wig from Sally Hair. So I'm about to pluck her. So here's the before. This is all the hair I took out. And this is the after. So I plucked pretty heavily. We still have to bleach the knot, so it looks a little bit weird, but yeah. Fit check. I'm wearing this dress that I got literally like a year ago when I visited LA from Urban. I think it ended up being like $5 after all the discounts, but it's really cute. I don't know like how I entirely feel about this neckline, but it is somehow working. And then we're gonna use my baguettes, bring in some doggy bags, some treats, water. We are going to USC Village.
Well, we're going to the Village Cobbler.
The Village Cobbler. Because my boyfriend has to pick up his Birkenstocks because he got them fixed while he was away.
Because they're sustainable and we got them repaired so you don't have to buy new ones because that's good for the environment.
And they're ugly.
And they're good for the
Most
environment.
importantly. So we're gonna go grab grabbed those, and I was like, well, we might as well go with you, because USC is like pretty far. That's like next to downtown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Haley, sit. This definitely feels like a campus.
Thing you used to order on campus?
Yeah, we had an insomnia cookies in Taupe.
You guys had a whole, like...
Snip some grass.
You got a drink.
Let's try this pressed juice. They had smoothies, they had pressed juices, they had the little shot things, acai bowls, and then I think they also had like actual food on the menu. But, oh, they had avocado toast and it was gluten-free bread.
That's cool.
So I got the summertime, which is watermelon, strawberry, lime, and basil. I like anything with strawberry and basil. Those go really well together. Oh, the sour taste when you, is that lime? There's a lot of lime in there.
I like it.
Yeah, it's got like a sour kick and then sweet. And it has like a watermelon like aftertaste. It's actually pretty good. I'm about to take my braids out. My boyfriend's gonna help me. So I'm gonna do the first process, which is cutting. And this is actually gonna be really easy because I can see exactly where my natural hair starts and where it ends because of the way that I did my braids this time. So I just use scissors and he's gonna help me take them out. So I thought I'd throw a towel over so I don't have little pieces of hair all over my couch. And then, yeah, I'm waiting for the, what you call it, the bleach to come in. It's a whole set. It's bleach I've used before. It's the bleach I used to do the, like, Cruella de Vil wig, if you guys were around. I need to get a trash bag, that's what I was gonna do. Around when I was in Atlanta and I had that black and white wig that I made. It was really fun. And I used that bleach and I got that hair so light. We are ready to go. I can't wait to get them out of my head. I am currently bleaching the knots and then we're gonna tone them because I came with this little toning thing, so I thought might as well try it out. I'm about to Google how long, because I can't remember, I haven't done it in so long, how long to leave it on there. But you can also just look at them and just look to see when they go from black to, it's almost like an orange. Well, you want it to pass a little bit past orange. You don't want to stop when it's on orange. Not the goal, but we have the toning kit just in case. I actually did it twice, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use the toning mask. It looks really good. I'm very happy. The first time I did it, I pushed a little too hard on the lace, so you can see there is some like little pieces of blonde, but totally fine. She's already plucked and I can always pluck some more if need be, but it's always easier to pluck before you bleach. I have my hair all ready to go. I normally do maybe like one more braid. I did 3 on each side to make it like French braids, but I think that this will be good. And yeah, my boyfriend is out right now getting Taco Bell. When I bleached it the second time, the hair was wet. So just keep in mind, like, you're not really supposed to do it wet, but you can. It just takes a little bit longer. So in total, I probably did, 28 minutes before it was wet, and then like another like 15 minutes while it was wet. So yeah, good luck, honestly. Bleaching the knots is extremely difficult, so I recommend getting pre-bleached wigs if you can. No, I couldn't leave you hanging, so here is The hair, I don't know what it is, but with these Sally hair ones, I always end up plucking too much on one side, whereas the other side is like perfectly fine. So I don't know if it's, okay, that was very loud. I don't know if it's just the way that I put it on the wig head or what, but I also plucked the part for a side part and then also down the middle. So this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna put a little makeup on, and then I have some really cute outfits that we're gonna put together. So I was lucky enough that Hollister reached out to me and I got a bunch of gifted stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys some outfits I put together. The first person I told about this collab was my grandma. Like, no lie, I'm being dead serious. I'll pop up the conversation on the screen because she used to take me to Hollister like every couple months when I was in middle school and high school and get me all the best stuff. And they always had the best jeans. So we have a couple pairs of pants in here because I used to be a very, very skinny mini. I was in their 00. I had to get the tall, and they always had the right fit for me. So I'm really, really excited to put together these outfits because although it's still pretty hot in LA, fall is right around the corner. So my first outfit I'd say is like the best idea of like a casual Friday work day, and then you go out for some dinner with some of your coworkers. I've got these flare jeans on. These are the vintage flare. They fit absolutely perfectly. That was my favorite thing about Hollister back in the day. The jeans we're still at it. They still got it. Then I have this really nice, thick ribbed, almost sweater-like material little tank top, which is perfect for transitioning into fall. Paired it with some loafers and a cute little bag. This is like my ideal day date to date night look. You could always change out of some sneakers and put some heels on if that's your jam. I got this cute little white bag, but I thought the denim Converse went really well with this blue. It has this amazing detailing in the back. Like, who doesn't love to show off their back, you know? I love dresses that have some sort of open back. And these really cute, just kind of ruffled little sleeves. This is like my go-to evening outfit in LA because it actually is pretty cool. No one wants to believe me, but it actually gets pretty cool. I also live in West LA, so it's a little bit cooler than the rest. But we've got this nice little just basic white t-shirt on, and these are their mom jeans. I like that they're not like super, super loose. Like, they're still very flattering, but they also are a little bit on the baggier side. And then once the sun is gone, it's really freezing outside, so I throw on this cute little sweater. The polo-like stripes were very much in style last year, and they're gonna be a big trend this year as well. And I love them. I love this color combination for it. I just feel like it's very nice, and I feel like it goes perfect with the jeans, because like I said, they're not too baggy. I really feel like if you do baggy on top, you gotta do tighter on bottom, and I feel like this is the perfect amount of bagginess. So for this last outfit, I feel like this would just be a regular day in my life outfit. We got some sandals on, some baggy parachute pants, a little t-shirt. The best thing about these pants is that they are basically completely adjustable for how high you want them to be. So you can tie them and have them be high-waisted, you can have them mid, you can have them super low, and I honestly haven't found anyone else who's doing pants like these, so I was pretty shook when I found them. Obviously I got everything in long because I'm a tall girl and I like my pants to be long. You can also adjust the bottom with how cinched you want it to be. So I definitely see myself wearing this probably sometime next week because I really like this. I feel like an upgraded Kim Possible with these green pants on. I really do feel like it is a look. And this is the same top as the white one. It's just in taupe. So I am going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Definitely check out the description box for all of the Hollister finds. They have so much stuff. Like, I'm always kind of shocked when I go on their website because I feel like they have the perfect balance of items. I feel like I'm so used to fast fashion now and flipping through like hundreds of pages of clothes. They just have the right amount. You know, it's quality over quantity. So definitely check them out. I'll have everything linked down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.